Hey, it's me, Grace Isabel Rocks. My name's actually not is Grace Isabel Rocks. So my name is actually Grace Murray. Grace Isabel Murray. So what I'm gonna do today? No, wait, just kind of shining. Don't worry about that. So I have my new iPad kit. It's actually not new. It's old, but I just have it really soft. So today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sing "Here I Am to Worship." So, I have my microphone. Let me see if I can turn it on. Testing. Testing, testing. 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 Hello? What's happening? Hello? I feel like it's gonna be... Hello. Hello? Okay. Guys, my microphone is not working for some reason. I am gonna make a fidget spinner for my friend named Kaden. I don't know if I'm gonna make it today, but I'm trying to make it today. I'm also gonna do the video, so yeah. So I'm in my uniform. So okay, so you guys can do this with me. I'm sorry you guys can't see the hand language and stuff, but yeah. So, start off with this. Light of the world, you set down into darkness. Open eyes, let me see beauty that made this heart adore you. Hope from a life spent with you. Now here I am to worship. Here I am to bow down. Here I am to say that you're my God. You're altogether lovely, altogether worthy, altogether wonderful to me. Get your kings ready. King of all days, oh so highly exalted, glorious in heaven above. Humbly you came to the earth you created, all for the sick became poor. Now here I am to worship, here I am to bow down, here I am to say that you're my God. You're altogether lovely, altogether worthy, altogether wonderful to me. I'll never know how much it costs to see my sin upon that cross. I'll never know how much it costs to see my sin upon that cross. I'll never know how much it costs to see my sin upon that cross. Now here I am to worship, here I am to bow down, here I am to say that you're my God. You're altogether lovely, altogether worthy, altogether wonderful to me. So guys, this is my video. I'm trying to be my best singing. So don't worry back here, it's just all my stuff. And that's my drawings back there. Right here. You guys can't see it right back here. So hope my singing's good. So Give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and comment me down. I need way more comments. I only have one comment, and I need way more subscribers. So, yeah. Please comment me down and subscribe. Bye!